what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute, fun, and festive hair bow. What you will need, this is 1-inch width ribbon, 14 inches long, 2 pieces. These are all 5/8 inch width ribbon. And the striped I have 8 inches long, 2 pieces. And the glitter I have 5 inches long, 3 pieces in green, 3 pieces in red. And then also in the red glitter, I have a 4-inch long piece. This will be my knot. And then I have a 3/8 inch width piece, 4 inches long in the solid red. This will go on my clip, which you also need the clip, the bow wire, 10 inches long, mini Bodabra, scissors, lighter, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. You see the frayed edges? You want to just get rid of those. Running a flame across it. There we go, just like that. And you don't have to do this part, it's optional. But it just makes it look a little neater. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is take your bow wire and fold it in half. You can use more bow wire if you'd like, less. But I think 10 inches is just fine. As long as you have enough to hang out at the sides so you can tie it at the end. So I'm going to take my 1.5 inch width ribbon and I'm going to scrunch it. Fold the center down. Bring the back up and the front up, just like that, and place it down. Then I'm going to loop it around, just like this, and do the exact same thing. Fold it down, bring the back up and the front up, and place it down. You see it makes a loop. I'm going to do the exact same thing with this piece. Alright, now just going to estimate the center. You could measure the center, but I just estimate and push it down. Then you're going to crisscross it like that. Estimate the center. Then you can adjust it, play around with it. Just like that. Alright, now I'm going to move on to the glitter. These will be my spikes. Just like that. But I'm going to ribbon cut them so that they look more spike-like. So the two openings at the bottom, the fold at the top, and you're just going to cut a diagonal. Just like that. So I'm going to do that with all 6 pieces. So I have ribbon cut all 6 of my glitter pieces. So cute. Now I'm going to place them on the bow. And again, these are a little stiff because they're glitter. So you're going to have to work to keep them in place. Alright, I'm going to take the red one first, estimate the center, and scrunch it down at an angle, just like that. Then I'm going to go with green, scrunch, and place it down, just like that. Then I'm going to scrunch. So I have 4 in place. You could definitely stop at 4, but I'm going to try and get 6. Okay, so I have all 6 in place, and I'm just trying to adjust it so that I can see all of them. So cute and sparkly. There we go. And I mean, you could finish it like this if you'd like. I'm just going to keep on going. I'm going to take the 8-inch long pieces. Scrunch. Again, the more ribbon you put, the harder it's going to be to keep it all in place. So you just got to be very careful. These are my last 2 pieces. Go. So I just looped them just like I did the larger ribbon. Okay. And place it down. Like that. Okay, and be very careful. You want to take the bow wire, loop the 2 open ends inside the loop, and what I do is I hold down the bow as I pull. I pull it like that as well. There we go, just like that. So cute. Now I'm going to carefully pull it from the Burlap. I'm going to tie it tighter, flip it around, tie it again, flip it around. And make sure it looks nice and neat. Tie it again. And I just keep tying until my bow wire runs out. You don't have to. You could definitely cut it whenever you're ready. Then the last time I just twist it. Just like that. That is just so cute and precious. Alright. Use this last glitter piece. Tie it in a knot. Just like that. And this is going to go right in the center. There we go. So cute. Last thing we have to do is attach the clip. Before we attach it, we are going to add the ribbon. So you just take your glue gun, glue the top incline, and place it there. Then you're going to flip it over. So that's where I first glued. And I flipped it over. Now I'm going to hot glue the entire bottom. then lastly, I'm going to open and hot glue this down in the center. Okay, then I'm going to place that down. You could use your scissors to help smooth it if you can't reach. Just like that. So I'm just going to place hot glue all along here and place it down. So make it center. And I'm just going to press it down. Make sure one final time, make sure everything looks good. Okay. They're all done. So cute, sweet, and festive. And then there's the clip on the back.